Hello and welcome to the first lecture of our series MATLAB Essentials for Scholars, Scientific and Engineers. In this opening session, we will begin our journey by understanding the basics, starting with the fundamental question: what is MATLAB exactly? MATLAB stands for the Matrix Laboratory, and it is a high-level programming environment created by MathWorks, specifically designed for numerical computing, data analysis, algorithm development, and visualization. Unlike many traditional programming languages, MATLAB is matrix-centric, which makes it especially powerful for engineering, scientists, scientific computing, and applied mathematics. Whether you are solving equations, analysis, building simulations, or visualizing result, MATLAB offers a unified platform to do it all, and huge applications for engineering applications, scientific research, economic modeling, metric operations, signal processing, control system, machine learning, development efficiency, prototyping, data visualization, and numerical simulations. So these are the various type of the applications. Let's now explore some of the core features that make MATLAB a preferred tool for scholars, scientists, and engineers. MATLAB treats all data as a matrix, which simplifies linear algebra operations and system modeling. From the basic arithmetic to advanced calculus, signal processing, and differential equations, MATLAB has its all covered with built-in functions. MATLAB provides rich interactive tools to plot and visualize data in 2D and 3D, ideal for presenters and exploratory analysis. You can write script, create function, and build user-defined toolboxes, and even develop GUI application. MATLAB offers domain-specific toolboxes for areas such as control system, image processing, machine learning, deep learning, computational finance, and many more. The MATLAB IDE include a command window, script editor, workspace browser, and visual debugging tools, making development easier and faster. MATLAB supports integrator with other languages like Python, C, C++, Java, and Simulink for the system modeling. In summary, MATLAB is not just a programming language, it is a comprehensive environment for computational thinking, analysis, modeling, and simulation. In the next lecture, we will explore the MATLAB interface in detail, including the command window, workspace, editor, and other key components. Thank you for watching, and let's begin your journey into MATLAB with confidence and curiosity. Thank you.